Wait, did you know that one tiny link in your video description could actually bury your YouTube channel faster than quicksand swallows a careless traveler? One wrong step, boom, gone like smoke in Hamilton. Hi everyone, welcome to Learn with Eljoe, where confusion melts like ice under the sun, where education meets elevation, content meets clarity, and legends are born. I am Joe Filimo, but feel free to call me Eljoe or Professor Eljoe. I am your seasoned teacher and your modern day YouTube Moses, sent not with a staff, but with truth, tips, and timeless wisdom to guide creators and curious minds to absolute success. This is Harvard with Vibes, the Mango Tree Classroom, the University of YouTube Wisdom. So like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell if you haven't. Haven't done that? Let's dive in.
Alright, let's dive in.
First and first, what is the external link policy? Think of YouTube like your family's compound. You invite guests in, but you can't let strangers sneak in with poison under their wrapper. External links are those doors you open to other websites. YouTube says, cool, but don't smuggle in trouble here. Or better still, think of YouTube like a big global market where sellers, buyers, vibes, everybody is trading knowledge and fun. Now imagine one trader saying, follow me behind this corner, I will show you something better. But instead of selling shoes, he's luring people into a dark alley of scams, viruses, or worse, illegal stuff. That is what YouTube is fighting. They say don't drop links that lead people to bad places outside our market. A dangerous link is like sending viewers into a quicksand. So in simple terms, any link that leads to bad stuff like viruses, scams, hate speech, violence, or illegal content is banned. But what about safe, helpful, and relevant links? Those are allowed. But to get it clearly, stay to the end. Even kindergarten kids can get it. Good links are like candy, while bad links are like touching hot stove. Simple. The forbidden links, the hall of shame, not fame. YouTube has a no-fly zone list and is hotter than pepper soup. Pornographic sites. If your link says what YouTube won't allow, click here. Nah fam, channel go collect. Phishing sites, they promise money but steal your bank details. Nah. Malware or virus installers. Those sites that enter or infect your laptop like armed robbers, sometimes disguised as free coins. Nope. Piracy or free access sites, giving away paid movies, music, songs, games. Nope. Piracy is theft. Terrorist fundraising or recruiting links. No jokes, YouTube strikes instantly. Child sexual abuse content. This one is not just a strike, it is police case, full stop. This isn't just about your description box. Nope. It applies to your videos, comments, live chats. Even if you type sneakily smart like .com instead of .com, or verbally saying go to www.com, or saying copy this link to watch my real video and it leads to illegal stuff. Dangerous. That's like a child covering his eyes during hide and seek and saying, if I can't see you, you can't see me. My people, YouTube is not your mate. They will catch you like LASMA or traffic police catch downfall drivers on one way.
Yeah. Damn!
Golden rules to stay safe. Write this down. Number 1. Only links to trusted website, your official site, socials, affiliate product, merch. Number 2. Avoid shady promises like free iPhones, click here, or send this to 5 people so that you will be paid. Red flag. If in doubt, leave it out. It's better safe than sorry. Number 4, affiliate links are allowed and cool. You can promote your Amazon product, your merch, your legit apps, but don't spam them like you are selling akara at every street corner. or overdo it like a parrot that won't stop talking. Spamming affiliate links everywhere, YouTube will call it spam. For more spam lesson, watch this video or this video. Moral lesson, balance my G, balance. What happens if you break the rule? Omo, YouTube know the play. Here is the penalty chart. First time, you might get a warning slap and be sent to school. Take the training, and if you behave, it expires in 90 days. Next time, channel gets a strike. 3 strikes in 90 days, channel burial. Bye. In severe cases, they delete your channel, boom, immediately, no discussion. As African elders say, the monkey that refuses to hit the hunter's drum beat will soon dance in a trap. Don't be that dollar mumu monkey. Lesson summary, simple as ABC. Let's boil all this wahala into kindergarten language. A. Avoid bad links, porn, scams, or illegal stuff. B. Be clear and honest with your audience. Don't trick them. C. Create responsibly. If you smell fishy, don't post it. Post only safe, helpful, and trusted links. No shady businesses, no clickbait scams. For links can either build your channel or bury it. One safe link today can save your channel tomorrow. In simple English, good links, YouTube smile. Bad links, YouTube angry. Because YouTube is like a house party. One bad link is like a drunk guy spilling pepper soup on the dance floor. The whole party shuts down. Don't be that guy. So my people, your identity and integrity are your biggest currency on YouTube. Don't trade them for a few shady clicks. As my Western folks say, better safe than sorry. And as my African folks say, he who learns the rules owns the game. A word is enough for the wise. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Drop your thoughts, your experiences, or your burning questions in the comments. We are listening. Share this video, you might just save a YouTuber's life. Subscribe to Learn with Eljoe so you never miss any class from the University of YouTube Wisdom. Until next time, stay educated, stay smart, stay safe, and remember, ignorance is not an excuse, it is a trap. Knowledge is power and your currency, and Eljoe is your blog. If you know, you know. If you don't know, now you know. See you in the next video. This is Professor Eljoe signing off. Peace out.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want.